What's going on, guys? Welcome to Station 3 Productions. Man, today we're going to do a little questions and answers kind of video. So stick around, stay tuned, and we'll get right to it. Alright guys, well, hey, before we get started, I want to welcome all of my new subscribers, my new viewers, and I want to thank everybody for watching videos and sticking around, man. I really appreciate it. So for now, we've got a ton of questions about the screen press, the homemade screen press that I made a while back. I mean, I've got more questions than I could even discuss here. This person right here, M. Dono, says, do you think I can get a step-by-step instructions on the screen press? Well, yes you can. And this is what I'm going to finally do with this screen press, because there were so many questions about it, and a lot of them were just repeat questions over and over, basically the same type of stuff. So this is what I'm going to do for you guys. Check it out. Here's the screen press. If you guys been, on my channel for any length of time, I made this quite a long time ago. And there's been a lot of questions about the dimensions, how it all comes together, that type of stuff. So what I'm going to do, probably in the next few days after you guys see this video, I'm going to come through here, and I'm just going to dismantle everything that's here. I'm going to take it completely apart, alright? Then I'm going to give you all of the dimensions. I'm going to measure everything out. And so give you all the dimensions. I'm going to show you step by step on how to put it back together. Alright? And then that way, most of the questions can be answered. Another person here, let me get my little paper out. Let me come down through here. Annie B. Russell. Screen press plans, and did I make my screens? Nope, I didn't make my screens, but I'll show you one that I have right here. Nope, I haven't made any screens of my own just yet. I just haven't had a whole heck of a lot of time to do it. But right here's one. It's made by Speedball. If you guys can see that right there, you can push the pause button and check that information out right there. Now this one, the 10 by 14, and this can go in either, hold on a minute, what was I thinking? Anyway, it can go in this way, depending on what you're doing, or you can spin it around like this. I already have one of the clamps off, so there's another one that goes here, but I'll show you all that in the next video. That just pops in, just clamp it down. Dun, 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 dun. See? And there you go. Nope. I thought about making new screens of my own. But like I said, man, I've been really busy with different things. I have a whole ton of other projects going on. Just general life stuff, it happens. Alright, the next person here says, believe the name is K Artist. Okay, this person has the same US cutter, but has issues loading software and drivers, and they're asking, did I make an install video? No, I actually didn't. And right here's my plotter, right here. I know a lot of you guys remember this. Right here. It's a US Cutter MH721 MK2. It's a 28-inch cut. This thing, lucky enough for me, I have never ever had any problems with that. Never had any problems, but I will say this. Trying to get the drivers and the software to work, even I had a hard time with it. And I had to have help from my wife and somebody else when I first got the plotter. And I'll be straight with you, it took us a week and a half to finally figure it out. So that's probably why I never made a video, because it's really confusing. But there is something that you can do, is you can call tech support over at uscutter.com, and you know, those guys should be able to help you out. You know, if it's a software or a driver problem, they can help you out, and they'll also be able to figure out if there's something wrong with your machine altogether. And they've been really good. You know, if there's something defective on the machine, they're really cool about sending out parts, you know, getting you back up and running. I mean, they're pretty cool people, and I haven't had any problem from anyone else. You know, I know a few other people that's seen my videos and went and bought the same exact cutter. They ran into some issues of their own. They were able to call out to US Cutter, and they were pretty cool about getting you back up and running. So, you know, maybe that's something that you could do. Let's see. Let me check out some of these other questions here. Bobby Sutphin asked, did I use oil-based paint on the basement project when I painted the basement? And wow, that's been quite a long time ago. And I know all you guys see this stuff quite often. Right there. And back here. And my Australian flag from my YouTube friend Shane. Hooked me up with that. But anyway, yes, it is oil-based, and it works really good. It's actually, let me see if I can find the can. I still have some of this around. I got a big mess in here now. Ugh. Right here it is. This stuff right here, and it works really good. So that's what I used on the walls. And then the black paint, excuse me guys, and then the black paint, you know, for the animal print, that's all oil based. My wife and my daughters did that for me, and I tell you what, that took forever. That was like 2 or 3 weeks worth of painting right there. And I considered painting over it, and they were ready to kill me, so that's why it's still there. So anyway, we'll move on to the next question. Blue Tees asks, when are you gonna do heat transfer video? You know, I told you guys a long time ago I would do it, and I was on a roll. We did, you know, the other different prints on T-shirts and that. So, with that thought, that'll be a video coming up within the next week or so. You know, we'll put something together. We'll pull out the heat press. We'll do a print on the computer, do a heat transfer, and then you'll know exactly how to do it. And it's actually really easy. Once you guys see how to do this, it's simple. And anybody can do it. The only thing is you have to have a heat press. That's the only downfall. So, alright, next question. Lily Felix, 1977. Asking, am I a firefighter? Lily Felix, 1977? Yes, I am. I've been a firefighter now for about 5 years with the West Mills Volunteer Fire Department right here in New York. That's the hardest job you'll ever love. And I wouldn't have it any other way. So, let's see what else is there. Alright. Well, I guess that's about it for the questions. I thought I had more than that, but maybe not. Anyway, while I'm rambling on, alright, I'll tell you about a few more projects that are coming up. Some of you guys have been watching the Drift Trike project. You've probably seen part 1. Part 2 is going to be coming up in the next few days or so. And some of you guys have been wondering about the racing mower project. We're getting back into that too. I've got a 340 snowmobile engine coming here pretty soon, so we're going to be doing a complete teardown of the tractor, doing a complete rebuild, and this time it's going to have a snowmobile engine on it. So, you know, you guys stick around and, you know, wait for that. And really, it shouldn't be too long. That project, before we get back into that, may be a week or two, but the ball's in motion, so. But for now, that's pretty much all I've got, guys. Let's see what else. What did we talk about? The screen press, the heat transfers, Drift Trike project, which is just about finished. The racing mower project's coming up. That's going to be really fun too, so, you know, definitely make sure you stick around for that. I'm not too sure if I have anything else going on, to be honest with you. I hope not. Hey guys, listen guys, I know I tell you all the time, if you have any questions or comments, you know, just leave them down below. You know, and I'll get to your questions as soon as I can, but man, I'm telling you, it gets really busy around here a lot. And, you know, sometimes I get a little bit slow trying to reply to some of the questions and the comments and that there, but trust me, I appreciate everything you guys say down there. With all your questions, I do the best I can, as fast as I can, to get back to you. And everybody leaving, you know, really cool comments, you know. I mean, I appreciate all of it, especially you guys watching. You know, like I said earlier, my new subscribers, I welcome all of you. The old subscribers that's been around for quite a while, you know, I appreciate everything. All of the viewers, you know, the whole 9 yards, guys. I mean, without you guys, there would be no reason for me to do what I do. So, alright, so that's kind of a little rundown for now. But we'll get you know, back in the swing of things here pretty soon. But definitely the heat press, or why do I keep saying heat press? I don't get it. Screen press, we're going to get to that. It's probably going to be a couple of days after you see this video, but we're going to get to it. I'm promising all of you guys. Because like I said earlier, I have had tons and tons of questions on it. So we're going to break it down, just like I've already said. I'm going to give you everybody the dimensions. I'm going to show you exactly how to build it, and then everybody wins, right? Alright guys, so alright, I want to thank all of you guys again for everything. I really do appreciate it. So until the next time, take care and stay safe.